Good morning, adventure seekers. The Grand Avenue entrance to Oceano Dunes is finally back open. Got the kiosk going on. Finn Seafood. Oh, cool. Looks like we got the dune riding El Camino here. Check this guy out. Gotta like this rig. Here it comes. Man, sounds good. For sure. Nice ride. Dune machine. Much action out here today. Come on down. Place pretty much to yourself. Do yourself a little meditation yoga. Walking around on the beach. Enjoying the birds. Checking out the radical off-road vehicles. Watching the birds on the picnic tables, chilling. Come on down, Oceano Dunes. Used to be. Pretty place, that's for sure. Alright, adventure seekers. Let's beach, the Ventana Grill, bar and restaurant. Supposed to have some pretty awesome views here. So might want to stop for a bite to eat. Check it out. Place to be for beautiful views. Check it out. Pretty sweet. Kinda like that cliff view. Like caramba, that's all I can say. Watch that last step. The view from the Ventana Grill. Oh, there's dolphins out there. Just saw two dolphins breach. Pretty cool. Good spot. Hang out. Yeah, another dolphin over there. Okay, there's one at least. There's 2, 3. Pretty cool. Got lucky with the view today. Checking it out. Oh, that one just jumped out. That was pretty cool. Alright, quite the view. So we get a little zoom in action here. Alright. Ventana Grill view of the breaching porpoises. There they go. Pretty cool. I'd like that. View all the way over to Pismo Beach. Pismo Pier. So, if you're ever on 101 going through Pismo, might as well stop, take a break, check out this view. Stay tuned, adventure seekers. Alright, adventure seekers, continue with a little view tour from Ventana Grill. It's like the Pelicans hanging out down there, chilling. Pretty cool. What a view. This place has it. Tell you what. Alright, go along the railing here. Gotta like that. Here for a private event down here. The basement section. The grill. It is an amazing view. I'll tell you that. A little vertigo view, man. Just don't look down. Anybody up for some bungee jumping? For some cliff diving? Outlook looks like a worthy destination. The view of Pismo. Kind of like it. Certainly is. Awesome view. Alright, check this out. Got your sky chair action. Pretty nice. Pretty nice views from this here hotel, folks. Like it. Little garden tour here, the way to the overlook. Oh yeah, the Copacabana. All lit up. Probably have weddings and who knows what else out here. Caution. No public access beyond this fence. Stay on walkways. Dangerous cliffs. Oh, you gotta agree with that. I ain't gonna go over that fence. You can have that. Right, adventure seekers. The view from the Copacabana, the Ventana grill. What else we got down there? These are some serious cliffs. Tell you what. Yeah, I can see why they don't want you going out there. Ruin your whole day. Adventure seekers. What else we got out there? I think I see some seals. Something's, yep, they're an otter. We got a ton of birds down here. Check them all out. They're chilling big time. It's like a wildlife sanctuary here. Pretty nice. You know no one's gonna bother them on these cliffs. They just chill. Plenty of food out there for the taking. Yeah, it's definitely an otter out there. Nice day, adventure seekers. Like I said, if you're ever cruising by, take the chance, stop, Ventana grill, have yourself a snack. Check this place out. It is worth the stop. Cheaper than zoo admission. Alright, stay tuned, adventure seekers. See what other kind of animal life we can come upon. Go, dude, go! Cruising. Oh, this is nice, folks. Quite the spectacle. Spectacles got me speechless even. That's hard to do. sure are cool looking. Nice. Throat action. Oh, now that's a yawn. Making me sleepy just looking at it. Oh, dude, what is that? Go, guys, go. Pretty cool. Everybody out. Wow, that is a weird backward yawn thing. Guess that clears out the old gullet. That. But you gotta do what you gotta do. You got a fish stuck in your craw. Oh man. Ruffling each other's feathers. You're not digging it. They need their space. Everybody needs their space. Alright guys. What's up? Wow. Pretty cool shot here. These guys are hanging out literally on the side of this cliff. Alright guys. Oh, do the geek and gaggles, man. There you go. Show us what you got. Oh, what is that? That is some gaggling geek stuff. Look at that. Nice way to loosen your craw. Whatever it is you're doing, it sure is funny looking. These guys are cool. Glad I stopped here. Funny looking beasts when they do that yawning thing. Yeah.
Dude, it's it. I don't know what you call that. It's funky. Sanctuary. Plenty of fishing right out your door. Pretty neat, adventure seekers.